Looking to making an animated UI like this? It's quickly and easy, only take a few minutes. First, open ChatGPT and click the creating the image. Just type in this prompt and hit send. The image is reading. Then click on the image and use the select feature to select the flower area. And input a new prompt to turn the flower into a bud. Hit send. Now you have got both the before and after images of the blooming flower. Download the two images, then open up Kling, choose image to video, and upload your start and end pictures. Enter a simple prompt like flowers blooming. Within a few minutes, your animation is ready. Next, open Figma. Drop in your video to the frame. Switch to prototype model. And add an interaction using after delay. And that's it. Your interactive animation is good to go. Got more ideas? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. See you next time.